Oh, a lot of gravy, right? Welcome in, welcome back. Guys, it's first thing in the morning, right? And I'm about to go to work. So this is chicken fried steak. That's what we're making today. We got our cubed steak. So I'm just gonna season this up real quick. All right, I'm just gonna hit this side here with a little bit of Lowry's, some granulated garlic, some granulated onion. I'm gonna flip this over and do the same thing on the other side. And guys, this is going in the refrigerator till we get home from work. All right, guys, we're back from work. So now I'm gonna make my gravy because we can just heat that up later. So I'm going in with some vegetable oil. Now, guys, it's so like if you did 2 tablespoons of oil, you do 2 tablespoons of flour. I just kind of do this, by feel. All right, let's go in with some flour. 2, we got 3 heaping tablespoons. Looks like a lot of oil. Give this a stir. Break everything up. Now you don't want to walk away from this. You see the way this looks? This feels just right for me. Maybe just a little bit more flour. This part of the pan is getting hotter. Let's just move it around just a little bit. So if you wanted a lighter gravy, you would stop right here, right? But I like my gravy a little darker. All right, so I'm there. Guys, turn the flame down, right? Because this is gonna go boom, right? Not too bad. Sometimes the flames will come right up on you. But this is gonna thicken up. Then I got my better than bouillon, right? 1 nice big heaping tablespoon. Then 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. 1 tablespoon of granulated onion. And about a 1/2 tablespoon of our Lowry's. And then black pepper to your taste. You have to go in with some more water. It's really thicken up. Alright guys, at this point, I'm going to put this on the side. And I'm going to taste this later. Because this is going to cool down on us. And it's going to thicken up. So this is going on the side for later. All right, guys, this is what our meat looks like. About 10 hours now. And I let this sit out for like about 30 minutes or so. Might be a little longer than that. Because we want to cook this fast. All right, guys, real quick, we're going to do with our batter, right? So I've got 1 whole cup. That's all we're going to use. But I'm going to separate this out. So I got 1 and 1/2 tablespoons. It's probably 2 with what I spilt. Put this on the side. And then we're just going to make a paste with some water. Maybe like pancake batter type of deal. Good. All right, guys. So now I'm going to do a little slap your mama, right? Not too much. Don't forget, this is seasoned already, right? We don't want to just not have it any seasoning at all. Right, so now we're going to get another bowl here. We're going to go in probably with a 1/2 cup or so seasoning. I like to have them enough, right? And we'll reserve the rest of this for later. We need it. Again, guys, I'm going to go in with 1/2 tablespoon, slap your mama. 1/2 tablespoon of granulated garlic, right? 1/2 tablespoon of granulated onion. Maybe a little bit more. Black pepper to your taste. Everybody's different. Give this a spin. We got our dredging session set up, so let's do this, okay? We're gonna go, let's take a look at our meat. Well seasoned, right? We're gonna go in our wet flour. Guys, this is falling to fall apart on us already. Let that drip off into the flour. Probably could have used a bigger one, right? Now, if we want a thicker coating, we could probably do it again, but just gonna put this down. We want to. All right, guys, we're gonna let this sit while we heat up our oil, which is probably gonna take about 15 minutes. I'm gonna just freshen up this flour, and we'll be back. All right, guys, it's been a few minutes. This is what our patties are looking like, right? So I'm just gonna hit them again, right? Just hit them again with some flour, because our grease is up to about 290 now, so we're almost there. Just to make sure we got good coverage of flour, right? So let's go with the first one. Of course, drop it away from you, right? See if we can get these all in here at the same time. Maybe not. See if we can squeeze this one in here, because I want to do this all at one time. Yeah, we'll be fine. All right, guys, let's give this a flip. All right, our oil's considerably calmed down. I'm taking this out, guys, because this is done. That drip off, and I'm sitting it on top of a rack, right? All right, guys, real quick. This is what our gravy's looking like. We're gonna do the back of the spoon test. That spoon is hot. Right? All right, so that gravy's done. They'll always thicken up even more once you let it cool off. Let's go to our plate. All right, guys. Let's go on with some little gravy. Going with a lot of gravy, right? Let's just give this a taste. We'll go right here on the edge. Some of that gravy. This is what it looks like on the inside, guys, right? Give this a taste. Yeah, I know when you go down south, they usually like use white gravy on this. The gravy makes this work, guys. Guys, give us a like, subscribe. Another thing we got from Aldi's, right? Guys, this is really good. It's actually pretty good. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking. All right, guys, if you stuck around right all the way to the end here, you see my plate. My whole plate looks like. Man, some more gravy. Got some white rice. And we got our corn. Guys, like and subscribe. And our meat's not too salty at all either.